Fix in 5. Let's decode P0617. Starter relay circuit high, starter relay circuit malfunction or excess. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. This is the part where you stop reading and call someone. First, the symptoms. Engine will not crank or start. Starter motor does not engage, intermittent starting problems, no clicking sound when turning ignition key, battery drain without engine running. Now the most likely causes. Faulty starter relay. Damaged wiring to starter relay circuit. Short to power in starter relay circuit. Failed or shorted relay connector. Engine control module, ECM, PCM, malfunction. Here's how a pro pins it down. Replace faulty starter relay, the most common solution if. Repair or replace damaged wiring and clean or secure con. Clean battery terminals and ensure all connections are TIG. Repair or replace ground wires, ensuring a solid ground F. Replace a faulty ignition switch if it provides abnormal versus update or reprogram ECM, PCM if required by OEM Technical S. How to fix it. Replace faulty starter relay with OEM or equivalent part. Repair or replace damaged wiring in starter circuit. Clean corroded battery terminals and reconnect securely. Check and replace relay connector if damaged. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 532 models. What does it cost? Roughly €15 to €50 doing it yourself, or €55 to €90 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0617? Repairing P0617 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommend. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0617. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.